PJ Abraham, one of the complainants in the MUDA case, has taken legal action by filing a defamation suit against Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah in a special court. Abraham claims that Siddaramaiah labelled him a blackmailer and he is now challenging the CM to defend himself in court. Abraham is among the petitioners who urged Governor Thaawarchand Gehlot to allow an investigation into the alleged Mysuru Urban Development Authority MUDA scam. He expressed his determination to seek justice through this defamation case.
I filed a defamation case against Siddaramaiah. For one, he has called me a blackmailer. I dare him to defend himself. I have sought him to, I have asked him to give an apology, a public withdrawal of his statement. He has not done that. We have moved to special court. He made that statement once. The second time in a public public meeting, he makes a reference to a lady, KS officer, and he says, poor lady, she has filed a complaint against me. Where is that lady today, Mr. Siddaramaiah? Elli ayamma? Napate ಆಗಿದಾರಲ್ಲ. Sessions court ಜಾಮೀನು ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾರಲ್ಲ. Sorry, English. Where is that lady, Mr. Siddaramaiah? The Sessions court has refused to give her bail. Where is she hiding? Is she in Mr. Siddaramaiah's house? Where is she hiding? Produce her before the court. You are a responsible citizen of the state as a chief minister. Produce her. Search. Ask people to search for her.